Well, despite the mixed reviews here, actually made me a lot more curious. Expecting na ako na ice lang yung ramen nila. But we were wrong, or hindi ko alam kung sino mali. And you might not liked it, I mean gets naman, but we absolutely did enjoy our ramen here at Ramen Butcher.
So I was reading kasi comments from videos from other creators.
And they're saying kasi na bland yung ramen. But ours was far from bland eh. It's actually quite rich and flavorful. Possible din talaga na baka it's a bad day for the restaurant. Gets ko naman talaga yung mga comments. And ito dapat talaga mas consistent yung restaurant. And syempre accountable sila whether good or bad man yung experience. I just hope na this time they are more consistent because we absolutely love their sukemen. Follow me more than ramen, mas love kong sukemen. Got that fishy yet no lansa taste, right amount of thickness, richness, and umami that really helped cover the thick cold noodles. Really appreciate that they offer konbu vinegar. Add mo lang siya kapag umay na and it adds vibrance and lightness. Didn't quite enjoy this lang because medyo slimy siya. But enough for me to ignore and enjoy my sukemen lang. We got the butcher signature and Hakata black garlic for lang the Hakata dahil sa black garlic. That additional burnt garlic taste. Both ramen were far from bland so sana they can keep this up. And grabe, super lambot din ng pork. Gyoza was standard, nothing really special but good. If you are going to get an appetizer, get the tongkara pork. Crispy, rightfully seasoned and ang sarap pa niya with the vinegar. I wish lang sana na mas crispy yung katsu and may konting spice yet pretty solid. And na-enjoy ng fam si gyudon. Japanese yung atake niya so subtle lang yung sweet and more umami. May happy hour sila for their bowls pala by the way. And may pakuha isa, libre isa sa coffee nila. Sukemen pa lang nila for me enough na balikan eh. With a note that consistency is key for every restaurant. Ichoy!